What's the meaning of crackly? Crackly. Crackly.
Crackly. Crackly. The term crackly is used to describe a sound that is characterized by a series of sharp, snapping noises. It might be likened to the sound of popping popcorn or the crackling of a fire. Crackly could also describe something that has a rough or uneven texture, like the surface of a dried leaf or an old piece of paper. Overall, crackly connotes a sense of dryness, brittleness, and fragility, as well as a certain liveliness or energy associated with the sharp and sudden sounds it describes.